Hello, I am Melanie. Today we talk about English. How do we listen? The old way is translation, trying to translate every word. This is slow. It is tiring. Oh. The new way is the story way. It is fast. It is natural. Look at this boy. He is frustrated. Why? He is reading a book. He sees the cat is on the table, but his brain is still loading. 10%, 40%. He is translating each word one at a time. The cat is on the table. This is too slow. Look at this wall. There are dictionaries. English to Spanish, English to Polish. The boy is behind the wall. He is trapped. But look, this is the story world. No dictionaries, just stories. English is a puzzle. Look at this picture. One piece, two pieces. The boy has a piece in his hand. He is putting pieces in the puzzle. He sees the picture. He sees the story. He doesn't have every piece yet, but he still understands. Important. When listening to stories, no dictionary. Do not use it. Use your ears. Use your eyes. The story is the puzzle. Look at the pictures. This is a house. Inside the house, we see Sarah. Sarah says, "Help." She wants Mark to help her with the box. Look at the picture. The picture helps you to understand. Look at the dog. Is the puzzle finished? No. There are gaps. There are missing pieces. But do you see a dog? Yes. You don't need every piece of the puzzle to understand this is a dog. When you listen to my stories, you don't need to understand every word to understand the story. Learning English through stories is fast, like a car. Vroom, 90 miles per hour. Translation is a snail, very slow. 2 miles per hour. No, switch. Switch to fast. I am learning Polish. When I learn Polish, I look. I don't just look at a word. I look at the pictures. I follow stories in Polish. I understand przyjaciel means friend because of the picture. How do we do it? Giant ears. Listen. Do you see words? No. See a movie. See the sun. See the house. See the dog. A movie in your head. Ready? So listen, watch, enjoy, and understand. Let's go. If you are ready, play one of my stories. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.